Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see Cancer, what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Cancer? Two of Swords, the Fool and Two of Wands. Six of Wands, Knight of Wands and Ace of Wands. A lot of fire energy till now. Eight of Cups, Justice and Seven of Swords. Page of Swords under the deck. They're watching you. They're spying on you on social media. Because you are not giving any attention, that's why they're spying on you. So let's see your reading. Cancer, it is very interesting. So let's see. Your recent past, Two of Swords, the Fool with Two of Wands. You are thinking about someone or something a lot. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make because Two of Swords energy. But you are putting yourself first. You are picking yourself. What I'm getting here. You decided to living in the moment and going with the flow. Yeah. Because you are in this energy in recent past and it is very good energy for you. So let's see. But you are thinking about something a lot and that causing so much thoughts about something you are thinking about a lot. Okay, then present, Six of Wands, Knight of Wands and Ace of Wands. Someone is coming towards you. It could be a past person or new person. I think it could be a past person because you decided, you picking yourself, you are investing energy on yourself. They are not getting any attention. That's why they are spying on you on social media. You are working hard towards your goals and getting success, and you become very attractive and you have become very popular because Six of Wands energy. You are getting success in your career, Cancer, and Knight of Wands. So what is the issue here? There is no commitment and there is no consistency. There is no communication, constant communication. They want brand new beginning. They are very passionate about you and they are very attracted to you, Cancer. But you are doing your work. You are investing energy on yourself. Maybe you also have some feelings for them, but you decided to work on yourself. You are giving energy only on yourself. You are not putting any energy on anyone. Then future, Eight of Cups, Justice and Seven of Swords. Here it is. They're sneaky. They manipulate you. They played games with you. In past, they hurt you. Now they're coming back again for second chance because Justice, marriage, second chances. You cut them off because there is no commitment. There is no equal give and take. Maybe they are not available to you emotionally when you need them. That's why you are walked away from this person. Yeah, you are willing to walk away, if not in near future, because you already stand by your power and you are very grounded. You are taking your power back because your person is also very sneaky. That's why you are doing work on yourself. You are investing energy on yourself. But there again, they coming back for second chances because the Justice with the Knight of Wands. But there is no commitment. Let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But especially Libra. But they are spying on you. They are watching you. Again, Princess of Swords. Lot of spying is going. So let's see your person current feelings. Cancer. That card is Three of Swords. One card is fell down. Wait guys, I will. Three of Swords. And under the deck, 9 of Swords. They're missing you. They're heartbroken now. When you are not giving any attention, they're feeling so much. They're feeling pain. Yeah, they really want to communicate with you, and they're seeing you that you are working on yourself. You are achieving financial stability, financial abundance. For some, your person is already financially abundant, okay? But they really want to communicate with you, lots of communication. They want to express their feelings, and 10 of Cups, they want to offer this to you. But I think it's too late. So let's see the near future actions, Cancer. I think you are in a very high vibrational energy in these recent times, because while I am doing your reading, I am getting so much positive vibes. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Swords, communication, clarity, 7 of Swords. 2 times 7 of Swords. It is not a joke. 6 of Wands. They want to win you back. They want to grab your attention. They want to test the waters. I think Wheel of Fortune, maybe they are waiting for right time to come towards you, and they really want to speak their truth, communication, clarity. They want new beginnings with you, but they hurt you. They know about they did something wrong to you, maybe manipulating you, cheated on you, lied to you, anything. Because 7 of Swords is false communication, miscommunication, and definitely communication is the key here. Now they're realizing your worth, Cancer, but you are doing your work, and they want to win you back again. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Temperance, definitely. Patience is the key. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah. They're stuck. They don't know. But they are now recognizing feelings for you. Queen of Cups. They're scared to come towards you. That's why they're feeling stuck, because they did something wrong to you. Yeah, I guess spying. Same message, communication, juggling, 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back, but very slow moving energy. They keep tabs on you, spying on you, watching you. They're making a plan to come towards you. Because 2 times 7 of Swords energy. Yeah. See, mutual card, 10 of Swords. There is ending between both of you right now. It is a temporary or permanent. It doesn't matter right now. There is ending between you and your person. You are working on yourself. But they're now realizing your worth. They're missing you so much. They're willing to come back. That's why communication is coming. And yeah, they're coming back. Knight of Cups. But it is very slow moving energy. Lot of spying is going. Lot of air energy, guys. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Cancer. You stand by your power. You are achieving your balance. You are super control. You are in super control. Maybe you have a lot of options. Yeah, you are achieving financial abundance, and they're ready to offer commitment. But there are a lot of illusions. There is no trust. You are not trusting them. There are trust issues between you and your person. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Cups. They have so much love for you. They really want to offer. Knight of Pentacles, but they are taking it very slow because they are waiting for right time to come approach you. That's why they are watching you. This time your person is very sincere, because Knight of Pentacles is stable and sincere person, and they really want to work on this relationship, and it is again very slow moving. 8 of Pentacles and the Fool. How these cards are related with each other. See, they really want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. They want to regain this trust. So let's see message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Cancer, your message from Moon. Your commitment is being tested. Okay, so if you are facing any problems in your work area or in relationship, because your commitment is being tested, but don't worry. you will pass this test. Definitely you will get reward for your hard work, for your patience also. Okay, because this is the time for your commitment being, maybe your commitment is being tested. You already working hard, but your commitment is being tested. This is very typical situation for everyone. So be patient and do hard work and be consistent and be faithful to universe. Okay, your hard work will pay off. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.